And here we are today in September on the Royal Enfield One ride, arriving at QB Motorcycles. I'm just going to park up and go into the showroom and get my free cup of tea, my sticker and my badge. Can't wait to see the guys again. And here we are, just about to set off. As you can see, we're leaving with the bikes on our way to the Biker Cafe, Lakeside. Got a nice group with us as we ride up the road towards our destination. It's going to be great. Can't wait. Let's see how it goes. It's a very friendly bunch. Had refreshments, a cup of tea, a couple of biscuits, which is nice because we didn't get any breakfast this morning. I was really excited. Here we are arriving at the Bike Cafe, and what a turnout. A lot of bikes, different bikers. I'd say there must be at least 200 bikes here. I'm just going to find a parking space now and I will walk round and see what it's like. So far, yeah, it's been very enjoyable. The pink lady on the trike. What a lovely doggy. Just look at that doggy. She's even got a pair of biker's goggles on. What a character. Some really nice people. Eccentric characters here today.
Very nice. Thank you.
As you can see, lots of different bikes. Not everybody was on the Royal Enfield One ride because it's a lakeside biker cafe. Hundreds of bikes. Just having a quick look around here. Adventure bikes, sports bikes, Tourers, Harley Davidsons, you name it. All those bikes were here. And I think I'm going to walk down and get myself a nice... Hello Andy. There's Lauren.
That made me jump when that went past me. Just heard this boom.
There's Phil. No, Paul. Or is it Phil? I
Who's
don't
that?
know. We'll have to see. I'm going to get myself a nice sausage sandwich
They've
now.
got big engines, but they
A
ain't
cup
that
of
fast.
tea.
I know.
Do about 90 mile an hour for a 1.7 litre. You okay? Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Good, I'm just filming all the bikes. Are you okay, matey?
Yeah, I'm fine, yeah.
Yes. It's Phil, yeah?
Paul, that's Phil.
Paul from QB.
That's right.
You're on camera. Hello. All right. Oh, I could have bought my adventure bike after
And
all
what a
then.
lovely couple these were.
Ah.
I
You're
don't
all
know
right,
the
mate?
name.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Had a good laugh with them.
Great,
But
we
we're,
ordered this.
been
I
waiting
ordered this
7
weather.
days for
I've been
this.
watching the weather all week, you know.
We have.
It started off 7
Really
days
bad.
ago, it said it was going to rain.
Rain,
didn't
rain,
it?
rain, and then last night
It was going to be nice, then it was going to
Yeah.
rain.
less than 5%.
Yeah. And I was thrilled, I thought, just because I couldn't come last year it's pissing it down.
Yeah.
And I don't like riding in the rain.
Nah, fuck that.
I know some people call me a pussy, but when you...
I mean, when you go out and it's not raining and you get caught,
Yeah.
that's different. But going out when it's raining before you leave home
Yeah.
is shit, isn't it? Let's be honest.
I mean, I don't like washing it. I've never washed my bike
No,
from new.
that's what the best way is.
Yeah.
Keep it clean and then you just sell it and buy a new one. When it starts
Yeah.
to get dirty, you just sell it.
That's
and buy
what
a
I
new
do.
one.
That's what I do.
That's what we did.
Yeah.
That's literally what you did.
Yeah.
The last two.
Yeah. Oh, is that the Maving? Is
There was
it?
even an electric motorcycle
Yeah.
here.
It's like yours, is
I've seen one of those
it?
before.
Battery powered, isn't she?
But the range is not very good then. Hey, whatever you like, I suppose.
Bit W trike.
Nice trike there as well.
Oh, it's got a morph.
Ah, the elusive watering hole. Where I can
Got the
get
food
myself a
tent.
nice sandwich. Anyway, time to go now. Just about to set off. Here we go.
I think we're all going to gather down here.
Yeah, no worries. Carry on, man.
Andy? Flat battery.
And those were just a few of the highlights from the... Yes, I will get your video, Phil.
I'll edit it and that.
From the Royal Enfield 1 ride. Thank you, and see you later.